not like the skin? Eat a good part of the apple. There's a good part of it without the skin. Eat this part right here. Eat the middle part. Yeah, eat that part. Eat it. Eat it. Don't put it back together. We don't have the apple repair kit. Eat from this apple. Eat from the smaller apple. Fine, I'll eat it now. Are you the baby eaters? You won't like the skin. I ate an apple eater. I ate an apple pie. Don't spit it out. That daddy good apple. You taking all the skin off for Dada? Are you de-skinning the apple? Now eat it. You don't gotta take the skin off first to eat it. Eat the other side. Eat the other side of the apple. Alright, Daddy's taking the apple away. You're gonna keep you wasting it. Daddy gonna eat it. Here, eat this right here. This is a good part of the apple. Right here is a good part. Look. Look. No skin. No skin. Don't bite. What do you... No. Eat it. Chew it. Watch. Chew. Chew. Nom 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 nom. Chew. No. Chew. You eat that apple. That's good. Take a bite.